Whether you're going on an adventurous vacation, glamorous city trip, or a beach holiday, in this video I'll share 14 luggage travel hacks to make your traveling easy and comfortable. You can even start preparing before your trip by getting the new bunq travel card. Save up to 3% each time you pay, as they don't charge for payments abroad. It's accepted worldwide, including for flight and hotel reservations. There's a one-time fee of 9.99 euros for the card, but if you invite 3 friends, you get the bunq travel card for free. Packing your carry-on with packing cubes makes it so much easier and organized. Put t-shirts together in one cube and your pants in another, and when taking them out, you'll know exactly where you put everything. In an upcoming video, I'll show you how to do this. Create and use packing lists. On the site Pactor, you can easily create a packing list that is customized to your needs, destination, and it even gives you a weather prediction. Fill everything in with the extra option for extra light, and in the end you'll get a list for things to do prior to leaving, what to pack, etc. Create an account and save the list, and if needed you can create more lists for future trips. Choose bright colored luggages. I love it when the luggages come on the belt because I can easily spot mine as it's colorful compared to the other ones. Add patches or stickers on your luggage to make it stand out. If your luggage is made of fabric, you can use iron patches to stick to them. If you have another type of luggage, you can use big stickers so you can easily spot it.
Don't overthink things, baby, 'cause I know that you do. You've been a stranger lately, and I know that's not you. Easy come, easy go, no need to fight about it.
And if neither of the other two options work for you, choose colorful luggage covers. Not only does it make your luggage stand out, it also gives it extra protection. Plus, you can use it on different types of luggages as well. Wash it if it gets dirty and use it again. If you only have a carry-on, you need to be smart about what you bring with you. That's why I love capsule wardrobes. With just a few items, I can create many different outfits using the same pieces. That way I can maximize on style while minimizing on weight. And if you need more inspiration or items for your capsule wardrobe, visit my webshop joycy.com. Add colorful luggage tags. It's a small accessory that is very useful as you can add your name, plus it also allows you to easily spot your luggage and make it more unique. Travel-sized beauty products are a must because it's required when taking beauty products in your hand luggage. Plus, if you're going for a long weekend or a week, you can save space and travel lighter by going for travel-sized beauty products.
It's no sweat, it's no sweat. It's no sweat, it's no sweat.
I love soap bars because it has many purposes. Use it as is, or use it to wash your hair, wash clothes, and if you mix a little bit with water in a spray, you can use it as a body spray. Can you guess what this is? This is a Superboy mini speaker. Simply connect it via Bluetooth to your phone and then the party can begin. And don't forget to bring a power bank. I love these from Ideal of Sweden as they use fashionable prints that I'm sure many ladies will love. Add a shopper bag in your carry-on so you can use it on the spot. That way you'll have an extra bag you can use in a destination you're traveling to.
Easy come, easy go. No need to fight about it. Easy come, easy go. No stress, I'm good without it. Easy come, easy go.
Take a travel bottle. Many people don't know this, but if you pass security, you can take an empty bottle and fill it after you pass control. This one is from Chile's Features, and the cool thing is that it will keep your water cool for 24 hours. Plus, one of their missions is to create products that we can use over and over again so that we can help protect the environment and use less plastic.